with a recording artist turned creative entrepreneur. ITA Watson has created her own brand of herbal wines and roots. Yes. And she's here to talk about the line and some of the health benefits of these wines. Good morning.
Good morning, my
I
darling.
ain't seen you in forever.
Yes, the last time I was here, I was performing on this stage.
So what happened to the performance?
Oh my God.
ITA the performer.
Man, gone nowhere. I've been touring for a while, but COVID come. And with COVID, it got me a chance to put my life in a transit that really brought out some amazing gold that was inside that I want to come and sprinkle all over the island right now. ITA Royal.
But you're also doing fashion design?
Yes. I've always been a fashion designer. I've worked with quite a few artists over the years, Queen Ifrica being one. The last person I did was Leela Ike, and many other people, Warrior King, many other people over the years. And I've been behind a lot of these funky new age youths coming out.
Leela Ike, and who you said again?
And Queen Ifrica as well.
Ifrica.
And of course myself.
Yes, I was just going to say, boy, step out into the video light so the people can see you. I tell you, not joking, watch your fashion. Ew, you look
Blessings,
so fancy.
Jamaica. Thank you.
Excellent. So where did the idea for this come from? Is this something you've always been interested in?
Okay, first of all, this is coming from 4-generation lineage. So this is 4 generations. And I tell you, I've been always doing it, but I never thought of sharing it with the world, sharing it with my island first.
So you used to do it at home, family?
Right, because it was my great-grandfather, my grandfather, and my father who is just splendid at this. And this is what we grow on. And growing up, a lot of the children used to call me whether Wonder Woman or Bam Bam because they're saying that I'm so super strong. And I owe it all to traditional Jamaican herbal wines and roots.
So when everybody else was getting sick, I tell you, was always well and strong. And
fit and ready. And we're grateful and we're thankful. So when COVID hit, I was there at home and I was like, what is going to happen? Because my main source of income is performance. Most musical artists here, they fight for the recording, fight to get that #1 spot on the radio. For me, the stage is where I belong, and I like what it offered me, that I can still be maintaining my family and just be subtle behind the scene while I go rocking all over the world. So I've been touring for quite extensive period. COVID slowed me down. And then I go, where am I going to get my bread and butter? And then I went to the river, and oh my God, I tell you.
An inspiration hit. I know where this story is going.
I tell you, Jamaica, like